This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Connect the iPhone to the computer using a certified Lightning cable and make sure the Mac or PC recognizes it. Press and quickly release volume up, then press and quickly release volume down. This sequence readies the device for the next step. Next, press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Hold even if the Apple logo shows. Once you see the cable and computer icon, the phone is in recovery mode and the computer can proceed. Once the phone shows recovery mode, switch to the computer. In Finder or iTunes, the device will appear with recovery mode prompts. Select it. You will get two choices, update or restore. Choose update first because it reinstalls iOS without erasing data. The tool will download the latest firmware and apply it. If the download fails or update stalls, select restore. This erases the device but resolves deeper software corruption. Make sure the download completes. Unstable internet will prolong the process. When the computer finishes, your iPhone will restart. Follow the on-screen setup prompts to finish activation. If the phone exits recovery mode before the process finishes, do not panic. Reconnect and repeat the button sequence. Volume up, volume down, then hold side. Make sure the cable and USB port are firm. Intermittent connection often causes failures. If you still get errors or a device isn't recognized, try a different cable or computer. Persistent failures suggest hardware repair or Apple support service is needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.